Hello all, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to fix the audio issue that you face in HP devices. To fix this, first you have to go to Device Manager. So this is applicable for both your microphone and your speaker. So sometimes, even you plug in, it will not work. Okay, so to fix it, first you have to open Device Manager with admin privilege and then make sure you enable show hidden devices. Okay, now you have to go to audio inputs and you have to clear all your uh, drive speakers or any devices mentioned under audio. You can just go to properties, or you can also try to uninstall. So do that. And also in sound, video, and game controller, then try to clean everything including the hidden devices here. So just have to right click and delete it. And once you remove this, and you have to restart your computer. So basically, if you restart, the generic drivers can be installed and that can solve the issue with your uh, audio devices. And also one thing you have to do is like go to the official website and download the audio driver and then install, then that will work. If you are not deleting and then you are trying to just update or reinstall, it may not function properly. So make sure you clean up all the audio drivers in that device and then install the right driver for your computer, and then that will 100% solve the issue if your hardware is not faulty. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. If you like it, please like, share and subscribe so that I can create more videos like this. Have a good day.